Yeah, universal, my ass. Yeah, that's definitely not gonna work. Alright, well, so today what I'm going to be doing is just putting on the distributor, and I need to put some grease on that first. And then making sure that's oriented correctly. You know, top dead center or whatever the hell it is. I don't know if I'm going to get it on this episode, but I do need to find a belt. I need to take a smog pump off, and then I can take the rest of that hose stuff off, and then I can put the carburetor on too. So I'll need to make a gas with the carburetor, or maybe we'll find one. Anyway, thanks for watching Bill's Garage as always. And I'm kind of switching over to a shorter format of video. I'm gonna try and keep it under 10 minutes. We'll see what happens. Alright, so I think I'm just gonna go like this. That works. Get off the bottom, no, doesn't matter. Around into those teeth there. We're gonna get this on. Seal up here. On this. You know. So next time I want to take this distributor out, I can. Oh, God. Okay. Okay, this part is dirty anyway, so you need to put it up like this. Drop it like that. See, that one eventually slides into place, whereas the other stuff doesn't. Alright, let's put this thing back together. Okay. Alright, so what you're looking at here is a Rochester 4-barrel 750 CFM carburetor. I'm just going to test put this up here right now. And, haha! Yeah, that's what I figured. Unless I have it backwards, which I do. Okay. Well, oh, yeah, this isn't gonna work for this application. Yeah, that's not gonna work for that, unless I got an adapter plate, which I could do. All right, so that carburetor is gonna be an adapter plate. But I'm pretty sure that an adapter plate is probably going to cost me like $40. And I need to also put my clutch linkage back together. Oh no. Oh god, I just saw this. That's not good. Here, let me show you. So we're gonna have to figure out how to put this clutch cable on, because as you can see, my headers are now in the way of my clutch situation. So, and I have the clutch cable in my my parts pile over there. Came with the new clutch. So, alright, I might have to press pause here for a minute, because the amount of stuff that's accumulated here, and down here is just reaching a breaking point for myself. So I'm going to take a minute and clean this crap up. Maybe try and do some organization, and then I'm going to go get some spray paint for the valve covers. So I'm going to spray paint those after I take them off. I'll wire wheel them or something. Nope, not doing wire wheel. I'll just do sandpaper. I probably shouldn't be trusted with a wire wheel. So picked up most of the tools. There's just some trash. So there's just some trash left. But I did happen to get a spacer. I replaced the AC condenser on the Cadillac here. That was slightly frustrating. Easier than what I thought it'd be. But it's always those, like, you know, little bolts that make everything harder to do. What the hell is this? Sweet, I got some gaskets. So this is made by Spectre. Alright, let's see what. Oh, no. Yeah, Universal, my ass. Yeah, that's definitely not gonna work. Universal. Yeah, right. Okay. So, I don't really think that we're gonna be able to use this. Maybe no. No, there's no way in hell that that's gonna work. Now, back to drawing board. Kind of interesting here. Because, like, with the brown part on there, it does seem to. I mean, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, I think I might cut it here. I'm kind of at a standstill with this stuff. If anybody knows what's up in the comments, let me know. Alright, thanks for watching Girls Garage. Have a great day.